Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to move and rotate 3D layers. Let's begin! Let's start! By using the camera layer, images can be displayed three-dimensionally from various viewpoints. Also, by creating animation for the camera, we can present three-dimensional images. First, to create a camera layer, from Layer in the menu bar, select New, select Camera. After you select Camera, the Camera Settings dialog box appears like this. The default name is Camera 1. There are two types of cameras, one-node camera and two-node camera. A one-node camera consists only of a camera. A two-node camera consists of a camera and a target point. Click Preset and select 50 mm from the Options menu. Finally, click the OK button to create the camera. Camera layer named Camera 1 has been created on the timeline panel. After creating the camera layer, you can check how the camera is placed in the composition panel by switching the view display. Next, we will explain the operation of the node camera. Let's check the structure of the camera first. If you check the camera layer on the composition panel, the two-node camera consists of one camera, two target point, and three frame. Let's try moving the camera. When you select the camera layer on the timeline panel, the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis arrows are displayed like this. To move the camera, hover your mouse over the axis you want to move, and the name of the axis will appear in the lower right corner of the mouse pointer. So drag the mouse like this. The camera and the target point will then move together, and the camera will move horizontally. Next, try moving only the target point of the camera. If you drag only the target point, you can set the position of the camera fixed and change the position of the target point. Next, I will move only the camera. If you drag only the camera, the position of the target point can be fixed, and only the position and orientation of the camera can be changed. Next, change the value of the position property to move the camera. Expand the transformer property of the camera layer in the timeline panel to display the position properly. We can change the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis values of the position property in order to accurately change the camera position. This is the end of the lecture on how to create camera layer and operate camera node. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.